Hello everybody, it is Nicole from iiKiui, where I want to help you improve your art. Welcome to my mini tutorial series where you can learn a new technique in a few minutes and start applying it to your art. Today I'll be teaching you one exercise that you can do if you're a beginner in watercolors. So without further ado, grab some paper and some paint and let's hop right into that tutorial. In watercolor, you have the flexibility of putting down a more opaque layer of paint to a very thin, almost transparent layer of paint. This exercise will help you practice increasing the transparency of the paint. First, you want to divide your paper into sections. I'm separating mine into 5 sections, but you can do more if you wish. The first box, we will put down the color's most true color. Make sure to add just enough water to get the paint wet, but not to the point where it's drowning in water. Grab some of the color and start applying it to the paper. Try to keep it as even as possible. Next, add a little bit of water to your paint on the palette. This will lighten the color a bit, making it lighter than before. Apply it to the next rectangle. Repeat these steps until you have completed your rectangles, ending with the most translucent one. Looking at it, you should see an obvious difference between the colors. If done correctly, it should go from dark to light. Feel free to do this exercise multiple times, maybe with different colors. This is also useful if you want to create some swatches for your watercolors and show the range of their transparencies. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. For the next few weeks, I'll be releasing more mini tutorials for watercolor beginners. So if you want to see more of that, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications of when that comes out. If you found this mini tutorial useful or helpful in any way, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling me what else you want to see in tutorials to come. So with that, I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. Keep drawing, keep creating, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!